Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's start today. Let's see that how many students have connected right now. Very few students I can see. Remaining students, just ask your friends to join immediately so that we can go ahead. So is there any class, tuition or any kind of training going on? Because I can see only 17 students right now. So that's not fair at all. So anything like this? No
Yes,
class or no training is going on. Am I right?
क्वेश्चन पेपर सोडवायचे.
कसला क्वेश्चन पेपर वैभव?
IFM सब्जेक्ट दिलता.
ISC?
IFM
IFM.
fluid.
हा हा हा. सो दॅट इज फॉर 1 hour ना. मागच्या लेक्चरचा 1 तासच टाइम होता.
Yes sir.
So you can complete that later on also. See, you have to follow the strict timeline. So you cannot get extra time from this lecture. Fine. So let's try to continue, revise, recap what we people were doing in previous session. I think that we people started with verbal ability questions, exercise based on verbal ability. Okay, so in today's session, we will continue the remaining part of that exercise. Okay, so accordingly, I will share the screen. All of you just check if my voice is reaching to you properly, as well as you are able to see the screen also. Just give me few seconds so that I can set the screen and we can just go ahead. All right, so let me know if everything is fine for you. Is it audible, visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Pranali. Let's see that tractor and trailer. This is the question that we people completed last time. Okay, so now in this session, horse and its answer that already people have discussed, that was cart. So all of you just ensure if the next slide, question number 10 we people have done, 11 is visible or not. Is it visible? Question number 11 or only 10 you are able, first slide only. Okay, so I have to share it once again. So I will stop sharing this and again I will share. So I hope that this time you will be able to see. So reply with yes or no. Okay, fine. Thank you, Sakshi. And let's try to think about this question number 11. So similar kind of relationship that we people will try to do here. So here it says scribble and write, they are related with each other. Okay. So similarly, you people have to think about the stammer. So what is stammer and which option among the following will be suitable here? So your options are stammer is associated with walk, play, speak, or dance. So here I got answer from Pragati and Pranali. Other also just think about. So what is scribbling? Scribbling is the deficiency in writing. For example, here on the screen, you people can see that scribble is something like this. So here, what I'm doing, I'm trying to write, okay, but I'm not able to write it properly. So here, this is called scribbling, okay. So maybe it can be earlier stage of writing or learning writing. Similarly, in case of speaking, if you're not able to speak it properly, if you're just maybe getting words stuck while speaking, so that is called stammering. Okay, and that stammering is associated with the activity of speaking. So therefore option C is answer. So those who said Pragati, Pranali, both of you are right, and other people, those who are thinking of option C, that's the correct answer for this question. right? So with this, the next question is in front of you. This question says flower is associated with bird. Okay, so plant will be associated with what? Will it be with seed or will it be with test, flower, twig? So just think about it, answer immediately. I got answer from Pragati. So others, be quick and answer immediately. So Mayuri also answered. Madhuri also answered. Pranali also answered. Let's try to see flower and bird. You'll come to know bird is the earlier stage of flower, or flower becomes or is developed out of a bird. You'll come to know that plant. So plant will be form of a seed. Through a seed, it will be it will be converted into plant. So that's right. So Sakshi, Mansi, and everyone, those who answered option A, seed, that's the right answer. All right. So ensure that you people are getting it. Next question, number 13 is in front of you. This question deals with this. Errata is related with books. So flaws. So flaws will be dealing with what? Manuscripts, metals, speech, charter. So meanwhile, we'll just talk about first pair. What is errata? All of we people read books, okay? And once we read a book, you'll come to know there are a lot of errors. Errata is associated with what? Errors, okay? And when you see those errors, that is related with what? This is related with books. So errata is related with the mistakes or errors in a book. After publication will come to know there are some errors, so that will be with this. Now let's talk about flaws. So flaws are also some drawbacks. There are also errors, there are also mistakes. But mistakes of what? Are they mistakes of manuscripts? No, because manuscript is also related with book. So first form, handwritten book is called manuscript. Next is metal, speech, and charter. So you'll come to know speech can't be. So speech can't be. So what left out of metals and charters? So people have to go for option B. So if you're coming with some pots or some kind of any kind of metals, and if there is any defect, if there is any fault, if there's any mistake, so that will be called flaws. So therefore, option B is answer for this question. So Pragati, Sakshi answer. I hope that you will learn. So don't bother, don't worry much if your answer is wrong, or you don't try to be even just into right or wrong. Just try to answer so that you people can learn something, because it is not only by listening, but by just reacting, by just answering, by answering even wrong, by answering right, we people learn in number of ways. So therefore, everybody ensure that you're not just keeping it silent. Very simple question for all of you. In this question, just try to see, it says gun, bullet. So chimney, what? Ground, house, roof, smoke. This time I want answer with explanation also. I'm going to ask why you're going to say that particular option. So I got answer from Pragati. So Pragati, you just tell me why this particular option. Think of the first pair, gun and bullet. You'll come to know what comes out of gun. That's bullet. Okay. So similarly, if you ask the same question, what comes out through a chimney? Is it ground? No, ground is not. Is it house? House is also not. Is it roof? Roof is also not. So what is it? It's smoke. So through chimney, what comes out? It's smoke. So if you've seen the chimney of a sugar factory, you'll come to know. Usually people see that there is smoke. So therefore, option D is answer here. So Ankita, Pranali, then Sakshi, Chaitanya, try to see, Mayuri, Adi Shakti, Pragati, everybody answered this question. That's right. So those who are just having wrong option, you just try to correct yourself with option D, that is smoke. Then let's go to the next question. Question number 15 is in front of you. This is breeze, cyclone. So drizzle, what? This is also a simple question. Earthquake, storm, flood, downpour. So who will answer this question with explanation? Don't just give me only option. Tell me why you're thinking of this particular option. Pooja, I did not get anything from you. If you are saying something, I do not understand.
Option D, sir.
Option B, storm. Or D, B or D?
D.
Option D, downpour. Tell me why.
ब्रीज म्हणजे वाऱ्याची झुळूक, सायक्लॉन म्हणजे चक्रीवादळ आणि ड्रिझल म्हणजे रिमझिम पाऊस, तर डाऊनपूर म्हणजे
Exactly.
मुसळधार पाऊस.
Exactly. So breeze is a small form. Try to understand. Small form of what? That is of wind. Okay. So that is small form of wind. And if you thought about cyclone, this is a big form of, again, wind. So here small form, big form, like this we can understand. So raining. Now here another condition is of rain. So small raining we can consider. For our understanding, we'll call it small raining or light raining we'll call it. So drizzling is light raining. And so its big form will be heavy rain. But heavy rain is not option here. So for heavy rain, similar word is what? Downpour. So what is meaning of downpour? Downpour means heavy raining. So therefore option D is right answer. So you exactly explained it. The explanation is also right. So here also I can see Pranali also answered, and those who people listen, that option D right answer. Okay, I hope that you people are learning through these kind of questions. Now again, simple question, but it may confuse you. 16 number, car, garage. So aeroplane, what? Is it port or depot, hangar or harbor? You can use chat box or you can just unmute and speak. I got answer. Mansi, Ankita, Adishakti, Pranali, Pragati. Let's see, different answers are here. Okay, so how? Because car and garage, when car has some maintenance, sometimes car is not working. So where do we take to car? We take car to the garage for maintenance, for repairing. All right. So similarly, if there is aeroplane, and if aeroplane has some problem, it wants to get repaired or for maintenance, where it will be. Let's try to think about option A. If it is port, if you consider it is airport, but airport is not a place where aeroplanes are repaired or for maintenance is done. Okay, so therefore don't go for option A. So those who are thinking of option A is not answer. Next, those who thought of option B, depot. Depot is for what? Is it for aeroplane or bus? So depot is for bus. So even option B cannot be answer. Next, try to understand the meaning of option C. Try to check what does it mean. So therefore, hunger is a place where aeroplane they are parked when they are not in use for the maintenance, for some kind of repairing, they are kept in hangar. So therefore you people have to choose answer C only. And harbor is for what? Who will tell me harbor is for what? Yes, harbor is for ship. Okay, so in ship, don't get confused. So tell me which ship and which ship is expected. If this ship means what and this ship means what? Pragati.
HIP. E-ship is corrector for जहाज.
Yes, exactly. And
Yes,
this ship.
EEP. Mistake ना झालं sir.
No, it's all right. It's all right. We are not just pointing it, but we are getting it clear. All right. Okay. So option C is the right answer for all of you. Okay. Let's move towards the next question. Number 17 will be there in front of you soon. So try to understand this question also. Race and fatigue. So fast, what? And here are your options like food, appetite, hunger, or weakness. Yes, Pragati answered this question. Others just try to think which option you wanted to choose. Try. If you don't know, you can try. Not expected that every question you have to answer rightly, but your guess matters. Your ability to answer matters. Pranali, Sanyush, they have also answered. Okay, so how you people are reaching to the answer? First pair you will come to know race. If there is a race, race will result into what? Fatigue. So what is fatigue? Fatigue is a kind of tiredness. Okay, so similarly if you are thinking of the fast, so what fast you're taking, it is not adverb or it is not adjective, but you have to take fast here as a noun. Okay, and fast as a noun, if you're just keeping fast on some auspicious days, like if there is maybe a particular Ekadashi and all those things, so that time people keep fast. That fast meaning you people have to take here. And if there is fast, it will result into what? Food, appetite, hunger, weakness. So here you may be food may not be answer. Remaining three options are confusing because you may say that it may result into weakness also, but weakness will be the latter stage. So first of all, we people have to think about this option B and C. So here you people have to go for option C. Option C is the given answer here in this book, but you'll come to know that they're similar meaning. Hunger also means appetite, appetite means hunger. But here we are going to choose option C as an answer and not B. So if you're keeping a fast, first reaction, it will be result into hungry. You will feel hungry. So therefore option C. So here answered Mayuri, Madhuri, Adishakti, Sanyush, Pranali, they have answered it. Pragati also. Then next question number 18 is there. Very simple question, but it may again confuse you. Candle and wax, they are having one pair. So similarly, just talk about paper and which one of the following. So here wood, tree, bamboo, pulp, and Pragati answered it. Okay. So meanwhile, you just take your time. I'll be back just within few seconds. Okay. So here I can see answer from Sakshi. It's pulp, Pragati pulp, then Madhuri option D, Mayuri option D, Sanyush option pulp, Ankita option pulp. Then see that initially you may just get option A wood, but Pragati you answered it right later on. Sakshi, Pranali, everybody, they have answered it right. Pulp. See how confusing questions can be. Here we people need to understand that paper is made up of all of these. If you consider, answer can be all of these options, but how to reach to the answer? Here you people have to choose the most suitable answer. The most suitable will be out of those four options will be pulp, and so therefore we people are choosing that option D as an answer. But you'll come to know bamboo can be right answer, tree can be right answer, wood can be right answer. But if there is no pulp option, in that case you can go for bamboo, you can go for tree, you can go for wood, but pulp is there. So most suitable answer is here option D, pulp. Okay. Then next question we people are going to look, that is 19 question number, that says acting is associated with theater, so gambling is related with what? Here your options are casino, club, bar, gym. You people have to answer me right now. So Sakshi answered, Pragati answered, others just think. Sanyush also answered, Ankita answered, Madhuri answered. Okay, all of you just try to understand what is gambling. We people have done this question while learning various kinds of relationships. So gambling is a kind of a game which involves money with a lot of risk, where you can lose money. Usually money is lost, and you have to choose the place where such gaming is done. Jugar. Okay, so here from Pranali, Adishakti, Madhuri, Ankita, all of you just try to be sure that you are going to choose right answer. We'll go from the downwards. Gym, all we people know, in gym we do not go for playing games based on money, that is for exercise. For bar, those people who are drunkards, they will go into bars. Club will be associated for a particular activity, and those members, they will be just doing those activities. But you'll come to know that right answer is casino, and it means the place where such gambling takes place. People go into the casino for gambling, where they apply money. For example, you might have also enjoyed in the fair, so there may be a kind of chart or table, and there are some pictures shown on that tables or charts, that you people have to select one out of these. And if you are able to select it right, so you may be getting, if you are applied 1 rupees, you're going to get 10 rupees. Like these kind of things will be come under gambling. Okay, so casino is the right answer. Next question immediately is in front of you. This question says venerate is worship, so extol is what? Glorify, homage, compliment, recommend. Okay, Pragati, for dance singing, that is concert असतं. एक कॉन्सर्ट असतं त्यामध्ये युजली सिंगिंग असतं, ऑनलाईन लाईव्ह शो असतो, दॅट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्सर्ट. कसिनो इज डिफरंट. प्रगती. So for this, Ankita answered. Pragati, is it clear? Concert असतं, concert. So that is called music concert, where people have live performance of singing, usually singing, or they enjoy. All right, so from Sakshi, from Mayuri, from Sanyush, from Adi Shakti, and Ankita, these people, they have answered here. Let's try to go to the correct answer this way. So what kind of relationship between venerate and worship? They are same meaning words, similar meaning words, synonyms. So synonym word for extol, that we people have to find out. That is not recommend, not compliment, even not homage. So what is left? Glorify. Glorify means extol. Extol means glorify, that is praising, saying some good words, talking about virtues of someone, that is glorify, that is extol, that is praising. Okay, So option A is answer for this question. Then next question, very simple question, but let's be wise and answer it correctly. Water is associated with convection. So space is associated with what? Conduction, transference, vacuum, radiation. How you are going to reach to the correct answer? So Pragati, Mayuri, they have answered. Sanyush also answered. So Sanyush, tell me why you are choosing this option D. Pranali Adishakti. What make you to choose? What relationship is there between water convection and space radiation? Pranali, tell me relationship. Adishakti, explain it. Sakshi, tell why it is radiation. So additionally, I will say the answer is right, radiation. But now next question is why. Or no explanation is there. So see, what is convection, water convection? So that is the transfer of heat through water. Yes, Ankita.
Second is the mode of the transference of heat by the first.
Okay. Second is the mode of the transfer of heat by the first. Okay, just try to pay. Try to. Okay. Okay, yes, that's the right Sanyush also. Okay. So that is a medium, that is the heat is transferred through this. So convection, you'll come to know that heat is transferred here. If you've seen that into the ocean or if into the sea, you'll come to know there water convection and their heat is transferred through it. Okay. Similarly, through radiation, you'll come to know transfer of heat. So therefore, option D is going to be answer for this question. All right. So D is the right one. Next, growth and this death is same one pair. Increase and what you are going to choose out of ease, decrease, tease, cease. See here, don't be in hurry. I would like to tell you, you may get confused with this one. Option B is not answer. Option B is not answer. So don't tell me decrease. So if you have other option, in that case, tell me. B is not answer. Think of A, C, or D. Okay, Sanyush and Pragati answered it. So let's try to understand. We'll come to know growth is related with increase, or that you can take it similar like this. Or if one particular stage starts, growing starts, then it results into what? It may result into death. So similarly for death, you are going to find out similar meaning word here. And out of that, you'll come to know that will be cease. Cease means to stop, to die, or something like this. So therefore option D. So Mayuri, Sakshi, Ankita, Adishakti, everybody, Pragati, all they have answered with option D. That is right. Next question number 23 is in front of you. Simple question. Oxygen help to burn. So carbon dioxide help to what? Isolate, form, extinguish, explode. You might have done some experiments in your science, maybe 8th, 9th, 10th. There you may come across with this kind of facts. You might have done the lighting of maybe lamp or a candle, and if you're putting a glass on it, that candle, you'll come to know that candle is extinguished. Why? Because of glass, the candle does not get any kind of oxygen, so therefore the candle is not continue the lighting. Okay, so oxygen helps to burn. If there is no oxygen, the fire will stop. Similarly, carbon dioxide is there. Carbon dioxide helps to extinguish. And in most of the fire extinguishers, you'll come to know there is CO2, carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide helps to extinguish fire. Option C is the Pooja Shinde. Any difficulty? काय सांगायचं का? Okay. So option C is answer for this question. Next question number 24 is in front of you. This question says, dog barks. So goat, what voice you people will go? Is it bleat, howl, grunt, bray? I got answer from Sanyosh. You just try to see, try to check what voice is of goat here. So Sanyush, Pragati and Adishakti, they answered it rightly. Pranali answered it rightly. Ankita also answered it rightly. That's bleat. Okay. So option A is answer. The voice of goat is called bleat. Similarly, you try to find out that what is for which animals howl, which animals grunt, and who brays. Donkey brays. So grunt and howl, you just try to find it out. That will help you to find it out. I don't know about howl and grunt. Next question, question number 25 is based on collective noun. So grain, stalk. So stick, what? Keep, bundle, collection, stream. So I got answer from Mayuri, Sanyosh, Pragati, Pranali. They all answered, and answer is correct. Ankita also answered. Okay. Sakshi also answered. We called stock of grains. So stock is collective noun for grain. Okay, so number of grains that will make a stock. So if there are number of sticks, together it will become a bundle. So therefore, option B is answer for this question. All right. Then let's go to the next question. Number 26 is in front of you. This question says nurture, neglect. So denigrate what? And here your options are reveal, extol, recognize, and calumniate. Extol, praise, similar meaning, Sanyosh. So here what relationship you people are thinking of? Nurture and neglect. You'll come to know opposite meaning. Okay. Antonyms are these words. So therefore nurture, exactly opposite is neglect. So denigrate, you people are going to think that It means to criticize. Same meaning word will be. These are synonyms. Denigrate means culminate. To criticize, to talk sharp, to insult someone. So that will be. Okay. So reveal and recognize, no sense here. So option B, those who chose option B, they are right here. Okay. Mayuri also answered, Sakshi answered, everybody answered that option B is answer for this question. Now next question, simple question for all of you. This says planet orbit. So projectile what? Trajectory, track, Milky Way, path. So Pragati answered here immediately. Others just try to tell me what you people think of this. So Itanya also answered, Ankita also answered, Sayush also answered, and that's all people are saying that's trajectory. So if you have seen or of thought of launching of a missile or aircraft, okay, and if that is going to travel from one planet to another planet, you'll come to know that the path of traveling, path of moving, that is called trajectory. So if you're seeing that planet, they are moving in a fixed path, that is called orbit. So if you've seen of Earth, if you've seen of maybe moon or other planets, they have their orbit, they are moving in that orbit. So projectile, it means to have a path to go in a particular direction. So therefore option A is answer here. With this, next question number 28 is in front of you. This question says genuine and authentic. They're similar meaning. I will tell you the relationship also. Same meaning words. Genuine means authentic. So people have to find out for mirage. So what is mirage? Image, transpiration, reflection, or illusion. Sanyush answered it immediately, quickly. Others just think and try to tell me what is mirage. With any example, you have to give me one example of whatever the answer that you are choosing. Sayush, Ankita, the answer. Pragati, Mayuri. So we have one fighter plane also named Mirage. Okay, Mirage, and that means illusion. Okay, so something that we feel there is, but it is not there. Okay, you have seen such kind of things during summer. Okay, during summer when we people are on a road, so that time at long distance we people see that there is water flowing, and that we people see with our open eyes, but you'll come to know when you reach that place there is no water at all. So what is this? This is illusion, this is mirage. Another example can be given of horizon. At long distance you see that the sky is reached to earth at one particular place, but that is not the fact. If you reach that place, you'll see again at long distance you people see same horizon. Okay, so horizon is also not the reality. Then let's see, next question number 29 is in front of you. Simple question. Cobbler, leather. So carpenter, what? Furniture, wood, hammer, or chair? Answer quickly. So Sanyush answered it rightly. Others just answered it right. Madhuri, Pragati, Adi Shakti, Mayuri. So all you people thought that a kind of confusion is also there between A and B. So let's be clear between A and B. So first pair, cobbler and leather. So what is leather here? Leather is used as a raw material
Shoes.
by, yes, yes. So similarly, carpenter will use raw material what? Is it furniture or wood?
Wood.
Yes. So wood is raw material here. Furniture is not raw material. So therefore, option B is going to be answer here. So all you people see that, we'll see last question for today and then we'll stop here. So ensure that you are going to answer it rightly. Question number 30 is in front of you. This says rupee is related with India. So N is related with what? Turkey, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Japan. So I got answer from Sayush. Others just find it out and tell me. Pragati also answered. So meanwhile, just try to understand rupee and India. What is rupee? Rupee is currency. Currency of what? Currency of India is rupee. So N is currency of which of the following nations? Is it Turkey, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or Japan? So many people answered that is Japan. Okay, that's the right answer. Now tell me, what is the currency of Turkey? What is currency of Turkey? Find it out and tell me. Google it and tell me. Yes, that's lira. We call it lira. Turkish lira also. So what is for Bangladesh? Currency of Bangladesh? Yes, that's taka. We can call it taka. Bangladeshi taka also people can call. And for Pakistan, all people know that is for, yes, exactly. Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. Pakistan rupee, same rupee, but that's called Pakistan rupee. That Indian rupee is different, Pakistan rupee is different. So option D is answer here, right answer for this question. So with this question, we are going to take a pause here, and there are many questions that we people will discuss in next session. Meanwhile, I think that I have told you to come prepared for oral activities also. So let me see if anybody is ready for talking about something, any information that you people have prepared or something like this. Is there anyone here today who would like to speak something? If not, then we'll take attendance. So Pooja Ingle, every time you're not mentioning your roll number, so I don't know what roll number you have. Pragati Jadhav, everybody is mentioning SA in front of their roll numbers. You're not mentioned. So rename yourself. Pooja Ingle, rename yourself. So present numbers for today's lectures are roll number 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 42, 46, 50, 50. You just join on time. You join at the last moment, last 10 to 15 minutes. Vivek Kari. 51, 53, 55, same. Vishal More. Don't join for attendance. 60, 61, 64, 65, 69, 74, 76, 78. So these are only present numbers. Again, I think that Pooja Ingre, she is not connected but not audible. She has not given her roll numbers. If you're not mentioning your roll number, you'll be marked absent. So accordingly, just try to do it. So let me know, is there anyone who would like to speak something? Anyone is here? If not, come prepared, say something, because it will not be okay to just go like this only. The people have to prepare for all kinds of activities. There should be mixture of some oral and some written or competitive exam that people will take together. But only this, see, from my side, I'm just taking it. From your side, you are just again ready for this kind of things. But more important is oral communication that we people have to focus. And for that, you should be ready. Okay, all right. If no one is here, we'll just close this session here, and we'll just meet in next session. So thank you for joining today here. We'll meet in next session. But next time, someone please come prepared. It should not be that we are not having much exposure for oral communication. So those people earlier who were not part of this kind of discussion, they can prepare one topic. So here I can see some Ansar Sutar, Anurag Shinde, Adesh Shinde, Yash Chakre, Ataro Ropalkar. You people can just try to be part of here. This kind of oral communication. Prajwal Pujari, okay, Vikram Jagtap, Akshay. From girls also, those who are not already never spoke, like let's say here Sakshi is here, Sakshi, Sunaina, Pooja Shinde, okay, Rohini Kadam, Adi Shakti, Snehal. You also try to prepare something for oral presentation, and you people just try to speak. Okay, with this note, I'll stop sharing the screen and we'll end this meeting. Should I end this meeting? Should we stop here? Should I end this meeting? Any questions you have? Any suggestions you have? All right.